We begin with news that the mu variant of COVID-19 is now in Jamaica. Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton, made the revelation moments ago at a news conference.
That today we confirmed, this is the Ministry of Health and Wellness, through tests that have been done, the presence of the mu variant in Jamaica. Some 26 of 90 samples tested and received today confirms it's the presence of this variant strain locally. And I will ask the CMO shortly to expand on the implications of this new variant strain that is now confirmed present in Jamaica.
Now, the health minister said 26 of 90 samples tested and received today confirmed the presence of the variant locally. The variant was named a variant of interest by the World Health Organization on August 30. Scientists have warned that this new variant of COVID could be more transmissible than even the Delta variant and could be vaccine resistant. 5 cases of the variant were confirmed in St. Vincent earlier this week. It has been recorded in 49 U.S. states, with Florida and California reporting the highest numbers of infections. In the meantime, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Besesa McKenzie details the timeline of the mu variant confirmed cases.
These samples were samples that were taken from in August. They went off to the CDC on the 21st of August, and so the samples would have been from a few days before that. We will get a better idea of the time range and the persons that are involved, their age and which parishes, as we analyze the results. But we just got the results today, so we can share that we have 26 out of 92 samples that have shown the mu, or what they call a mu-like variant, and we have 55 samples that were Delta. So Delta variant still appears to be the predominant variant that we have in country now.